As you touch a doorknob, allow yourself to fully notice the doorknob. What does it feel like to your hand? Is it smooth or rough? Is it cold or warm? Notice the shape of the doorknob. Explore it with your fingers. What does the doorknob feel like? What does the doorknob look like? Notice the color of the doorknob. Is it shiny or dull? Does the doorknob make a sound as you turn it? Does it turn easily, or does it take some effort? Notice the muscles in your hand that tense and flex as you touch and turn the doorknob. To increase your practice of mindfulness, try and be aware of every time you touch a doorknob. Let touching a doorknob be a cue for your mind to become fully present with whatever you are doing, your immediate experience after you touch the doorknob. You may also use this technique with other objects to help you remember becoming mindfully aware of what you are doing.